Okay, Jennifer. Part A, I'm going to go over Part A with you. The diagram below shows the area of the cafeteria floor space that was used for a craft show. Andy reserved 1/5 of the cafeteria floor space to display his crafts. Andy divided his reserved space into 4 equal parts and displayed his paintings, woodworking, metalwork, and clay, each in a different spot. Divided is an important word here. Part A. What fraction of the cafeteria floor space did Andy use for paintings? Explain how to check your answer using multiplication. Show your work. Alright, so first we restated what we had to do. And he has this already on his, where you say the fraction of the cafeteria space that Andy used for paintings is, and then he has a blank and a period. That was something that we did in class together, and the paper is split in half. I'm going to go ahead and show how the multiplication work to solve this. Andy has 1/5 of the cafeteria floor space, and of that 1/5, it's going to be divided into 4 equal parts. To do this, 4 written as a fraction is 4/1. 1/5 times, when this changes to multiplication, we take the reciprocal, or we flip the second fraction to 1/4. 1 times 1 is 1, 5 times 4 is 20. So this is where we found that Andy would get 1/20 of the entire cafeteria floor space, mathematically, using the multiplication. And we showed our work. So this is for Andy's paintings. 1/20 of floor for Andy's paintings. Alright, then they had grid paper, so it's going to look a lot neater than what I'm about to have here. They draw the cafeteria. It said, and they had already split it into 5 sections. And they even labeled this as Andy's. His is divided into 4 equal parts. So we're going to go ahead and we're just going to divide the entire cafeteria floor into that also, so that we have all our sections the same size. Now, there are, if you count, there are a total of 20 sections, and one out of the 20th is used for paintings, and then each one of these, then he's got metal work, wood work, clay. So this is how you would show that he is going to use 1/20 of the cafeteria floor for his paintings. And then we go over here and we explain what we did to solve this problem. And on the part A that he has on his sheet, it explains what we did here. To solve this problem, I had to divide, then multiply. And it explains what we did right here. And then it also explains what we did here. This is exactly what he's going to do on his part B, except it says, next time Andy set up his cafeteria display in the cafeteria, when he set it up, he was given only 1/3. So now he's got 1/3 that he's going to split into 4 equal sections. So this is going to be his part B, which he will explain the same way we explained here that we did together. Part C is just the drawing explaining what you did here. So instead, it's going to be split into 3 equal sections. This will be Andy's. And then he's going to have, well, I didn't do that very well, 4 equal sections. which Justice will be able to do on the grid paper. And here he will say, that's too long. Okay. He will say, to draw this floor space, I first divided it into thirds and then divided it into 4 equal sections, and he will get his fraction here. 1 out of the total would be used for paintings. And that is how he would solve for part B and C.